17.7 kg of sugar. So she packed the sugar into 2 types of containers, small and large. So she managed to fill 2 large containers and 4 small containers. But for the remaining amount of sugar, she could not fill another large container because she was short of 0.8. But she managed to fill the small container, and then she had 0.7 kg sugar left. So the question is, how many more kilogram of sugar did each large container hold than each small container? Okay, it's not very easy. For this one question, right, students, they panic because it's very long. Okay, but if you draw the model, you'll be able to solve it. Okay, come, let's go ahead. 2 large container, 4 small container. 2 large container, I'm going to draw it as vertical bars, so it'll be easier for you all to visualize. Then 4 small container. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now she said that for the remaining amount, right, she could not fill a large container. I'm going to draw one large container. She could not fill because she needs 0.8 kg more. But she managed to fill the small container. And she had 0.7 kg of sugar left, which means that from here to here is 0.7 kg. Okay, so the question is, how many more kilogram of sugar did each large container hold than each small container? So for part A, right, very simple. You take 0.8 plus 0.7, so that will be 1.5 kg. Okay, done. Now, so they are asking for what was the mass of the sugar in each small container. So this one is like a question mark. Okay, they put a question mark over here. So with this, you can actually do this. You see, each large container can contain 1.5 kg more than a small container. So which means, right, from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, each of them is 1.5 kg. Okay, so 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. Now, I will take 4 times 1.5 and then add it to the 17.7 kg. So for part B, take 4 times 1.5, this will be 6 kg. I take 6 plus 17.7 kg, this will be 23.7 kg. Okay, so in effect, what did I do? I changed the small container into large container. By adding 1.5 kg to the small container, I made each small container into a large container. So large, 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 large. Okay, so I will take 23.7 divided by 6. Okay, so 23.7, what will that give us? So wait, 23.7 divided by 6. Give me a second. 23.7 divided by 6. That will be 3.95 kg. Oh, sorry, y'all can't see, right? Sorry. Okay, not too late for y'all to see that. Okay, so this will be, each large container can contain 3.95 kg. So small container, how? You take 3.95 minus 1.5. Okay, so 3.95 minus 1.5, that will give me 2.45 kg. So each small container can contain 2.45 kg. That will be our answer for part B. Okay, so remember, for questions like this, just go and draw it out, because it will help you to visualize the question. And if you can visualize it, you can do it a lot faster. Alright, done.